Hello viewers, today I just want us to talk about how to start a successful poultry farming. Now, there are some details that if you are a new farmer, or you just want to venture in poultry farming, number one, you should be able to know various things that are in this sector. There are them that just want to get into poultry farming, and by the next day they have some chicken or some chicks to start the business. Now, these are where to start from. Knowledge is very vital, is very important for a person to have, for him or her to start any given job or any given business. For example, for poultry farming, what is really required, number one, is the knowledge of raising these chicken. Let's say from a chick to mature, to the maturity, from chick to the maturity. We have chicks, we have things to do with brooder, we have things to do with how to feed the chicks, we have things to do with the vaccination program. Now, in this part one of our lesson today, it is very good for us to start by getting this information. Information number one, how do we vaccinate these birds to prevent the sicknesses in the future? We have very vaccinable diseases like Newcastle, we have fall typhoid, we have fall pox, we have Guboro. All those are some vaccinable diseases in poultry and need to be vaccinated at a given time when the chicks are young, not when they are mature already. Now you want to vaccinate. If you do so, then you will definitely kill them. Now, the next thing you need to know is about feeding and about the type of breed that you would like to do. We have them that do broiler, we have them that do layers, we have them that do kienyeji poultry farming. Like me, I normally do kienyeji poultry farming on what we call organic farming, which is the best. These one normally fetch good market and also good prices for the product. Number two, I also do what we call free ranging. Mine are on free range. As you can see, my chicken here are on what we call free ranging. They normally, I normally have some yards where I normally open and then set them there. They will fetch for grass, they will fetch for small insects and worms and so forth. Now, for more details, you can visit my YouTube channel. You will learn more about all this. You will learn about feeding chicks, chicken from the chick to mature bird. You will learn A to Z on how to do vaccination. You need to do them yourself. You can do it yourself. So just visit my YouTube channel. You will see all these details. You will see how to vaccinate. You will see how to set your chicken lay boxes or chicken laying nest. You'll be able to see all those kind of things. Then in chicken, in layering chicken, you don't need to invest so much on things to do with the buildings, things to do with farming tools. This is the drinkers and others are feeders. There are some that you need to make them yourself. You can also see that here I have some hydroponic. This one I normally grow, and you can also view it on my YouTube channel. We have a hydroponic farming. You can see it how we normally grow this hydroponic, and it's normally help my chicken here. They do eat it, and then it's normally as a supplementary. It's for supplement. I also have some feeds that I normally give this chicken, and by so doing, what is produced is very nice. So in the next episode, we will look at higher things more than this, but this one was to help you know what you need to have. In the next episode, we look at the tools and so forth, and even how to make these the feeders, and how to make the drinkers. Thank you very much for watching. If you have liked the video, please share. You can like, and you can also subscribe to my channel for other videos to be uploaded in future. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.